Hello dear students, once again welcome back in your OPE class. Open book page number 6. Unit 1, lesson number 4, sentences. Exercise A. Use the words she, he, they and it to complete these sentences. Now you must be aware that for a girl we use she and for a boy we use he. For two persons we use they and for an animal we use it. Example, he is standing up. He is a boy. We use he for a boy. Number 1. Now you have to solve these blanks. Now he, she, it and they are pronoun. Now you have to fill these blanks with these pronouns. Now here two girls are playing. Number 1. They are playing with a ball. What will we put here? Number 2. Now Desh is running. For animal we use what? You have to write here. Number 3. They three are reading books. Now what you will put here? Number 4. Desh is dancing. Number 5. Desh is mending a cup. Number 6. Desh is sitting down. Now you have to fill all these blanks. Exercise B. Now complete these sentences. Example, he is a boy. Number 1. We use what for a dog, like a dog is an animal, you have to write here. I'm giving you just an example. It is a dog. Number 2. For a man we use what, you have to write here. Number 3. Desh is a girl. Number 4. Desh are boys. Now for two persons we use what, you have to write here. Number 5. Desh is a cat. Number 6. Desh is a boy. Number 7. Desh is a woman. Now this is also your homework. Exercise C. Write your name begin with a capital letter. You have to write your name here. For suppose, first letter must be capital. Ali. Exercise D. Match the small letters to the capital letters. Over here one example is given. A, small a is matched with capital A. Now you have to match big capital B with small b. Like this you have to solve this exercise too. Exercise E. Now use capital letters to complete these names. Example, Ali. Now you have to look at book page number 4 and 5 while solving this exercise. Open book page number 7. Unit 1, lesson 5, writing. Follow the lines to find out who wears the clothes. Example, Ali's shorts. Like here, he is Ali. Ali is wearing shorts. Mommy is wearing a suit. Daddy is wearing trousers. Sarah is wearing dress. Fiza is wearing socks. Biff is wearing shirt. Exercise B. Use the words in the box to complete the sentences. Red, brown, green, white, black, yellow. Example, Ali's shorts are brown. I'm giving you another example. Number 1. Daddy's trousers are, now you have to look at these pictures. Daddy's trousers are of black color. You have to write here black. Number 2. Sarah's dress is, now you have to look at this color. Mommy's suit is, while looking at pictures, you have to solve this. Biff's shirt is of which color, you have to write here. Number 5. Fiza's socks are dash. All colors are given here. Okay. Exercise C. Write about the dog's clothes. Example, the dog's shorts are yellow. Now you have to write about dog's shirt color, socks color, shoes color. Now this is your homework too. Dog is wearing a cap and cap is of which color, you have to write this on your English rough copy. I hope you will enjoy learning OPE. We'll meet in another class, and over here unit number 1 is completed today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.